Hi students, this is a little tutorial to help you navigate into an article of Spark and then do a split screen so that you can look at the questions and the article at the same time. So our article that we were looking at today is High Tech Hide and Seek. We're going to click on View Lesson. And here is where you read the article, number 2. Don't forget to review these review these vocabulary words. They're important to the reading and your comprehension. After you read the article, you're going to click on Activity, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you're going to click on Refer to Article. Okay, now you have a split screen, and you're going to come down here to your taskbar, to the black bar, and you're going to right click, and you're going to click on Show Windows Side by Side. You click this, and then you have 2 screens. So this is where you have your question on the right, and this is where you have your article on the left. So as you are reading the questions, we want you to go back to the article and check, and you can do that without having to switch screens. When you are finished, if you want to undo the split screen, you come down here to the black bar again, right click, and it says Undo, Show All Windows Side by Side. Okay, and that's it.